So imagine there is someone who wants that you memorize all the coats of arms from all the countries from the canton Esch sur Alzette. How to do that? We have here the lists. So we have to combine the country with the picture, so with the coat of arms. The first one is here Bettembourg, and the picture there's a black animal, and the other side is a papyrus roll. Bettembourg. It's here written in German, so we can learn also a little bit German. And we can imagine what is near from Bettembourg in English. For me it can be bed, Bettembourg, bed. We can imagine there's the animal. He's dancing so long that he's dreaming of a bed, and you can imagine a bed over the picture, that he's lying on the bed with while reading the papyrus roll. So we have now the picture for Bettembourg. Then Differdange is the blue one, and the animal is in there. He wants to be different like others. He don't want to be blue. That's because he is yellow. Yellow in a blue picture. That's different. He is different from other ones. So differdange. Okay. Dudelingen or dudelange. There you can imagine this animal. He's dancing in the picture, and he said doodle 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 doodle. He's singing like this. So doodle dudelange, dudelingen. Okay. Then here's this picture. This is the only one who has a river, and that's the river from Esch is the Alzette. Esch an der Alzette or Esch sur Alzette. Esch Alzette. So the river is Alzette. It's only one that you have in Esch. So you can say it's only Esch on this one. Friesingen or Frisange. There you have two birds, a white one and a black one, and perhaps they want to eat French fries. They have under the picture there is a lot of French fries, and they wanted to eat, but they can't reach them. They wanted to eat French fries, but they can't eat it. French fries, Friesingen, Frisange. So French is the first two letters. So Kyle. In this picture, you imagine it's Michael Caine, who is dancing like the animal there. He's dancing like in this picture. It's Michael Caine. It's Michael Caine. Kyle. It's from Kyle. Then the next picture, they have this the birds and the beer. The birds, they are picking the beer always, and that's because he's dancing. He's dancing also the beer, and he said he's singing also Leudelingen or Leudelange. So there's two singing animals there. Then we have we can make a check. What do you think about this picture? So that's the only one who is a river. So it's Esch Alzette, Esch sur Alzette, Esch an der Alzette. This one is the two birds who wants to eat French fries and they don't reach it, so it's French friesingen, frisange. Here it's, of course, it's Michael Caine. He's dancing there. Wow, he's very good, huh? So he's dancing. Michael Caine is dancing. It's Kyle. Kyle. This one. There's here a bed over the picture. So because the animal wants to sleep in a bed with a papyrus roll, he wants to read it. And it's bed tambour. And he wants to be an animal. He wants to be different than the others. That's because he's yellow, and that's because he's different. It's differdange. That we have, and this one, that's the beer. The beer. He is scared about the birds, and he's singing Lloyd de Lange. Okay. Oh, I think it was good, huh? Okay, good. So the next picture, Monerisch. Monerisch, you can say it's like money. You see here's two stars, and on down there are three towers, and in the middle there's something like money. It's money, perhaps a dime or something like this. And the stars, they are trying to pick a way through the red line, so that the money can fall down to the towers. So the money is the keyword. Money, monerisch or mondarchange. Okay. Then here you see this picture. You see there are something like two fishes over there in the water, and they try to play pétanque. It's a French game, and they try to play pétanque, but the ground is not very good, so it's very difficult to play pétanque there. So they play pétanque. Okay, and Reckinge-sur-Metz. What can we say there? There are three birds who want to go to church, and they are a mass. They are a mass before, or we can say that the line there. They are a mass before. They want to go to the church, but there is a mass. They can't reach the church. So it's Reckinge. So it's Metz, Reckinge-Metz, Reckinge-sur-Metz, Reckinge-Metz. We have Röser. You have always three birds. They are in the red. They are in the red. You can only see the color. It's red. You only take the first letter of red, R, and you remember to Röser. Röser. It's for this picture. So now we come to Rummelange. There's a guy who has no t-shirt, and he's a worker, and you can say that this because he has no t-shirt. It's raining, and he take a shower in the rain. The first letter is an R, so like Rummelange. So you can say it's rain Rummelange, Rummelingen. Okay, because it takes a shower there in the rain. Sassenheim. It's there are two animals, one in the gray field, the other in the yellow field, and they are jumping because they don't have socks. Sassenheim, or Zanem in French. So they don't have socks. Okay. Then is the last one. There is no alternative place on this page. That's because it's here. Schifflingen. You can say that every time when you come to Schifflingen, you are honored. You are honored because you receive a banner. Then you can wear it all the time you are in Schifflingen. Okay. Let's make a test. So, what is this? The birds, he don't want to go to church, and there was a mess. He don't want to that he go there. So the Reckange mess, Reckingen mess. This one is the birds. They are in the red fields, red R like Rosa, and here's also an R because he's staying in the rain. In the rain, it's rain is for Rummelange. Do you remember this one? He's dancing like this. Dudelange, yeah. This is someone who wants to be different. Differdange. Here's there are French fries. The bird they are hungry. They want to have the French fries, but they can't reach it. Friesingen, Friesange. This one that was also it was Michael Caine who is dancing there. Michael Caine is Kyle. Kyle. Here's also the beer. He's singing Leudlingen. Here's the money who is falling down. So that's Moneriche, Mondarchange. The last one here, the animals, they are jumping because they don't have socks for Sassenheim or Zanem. This one is you are honored when you are in Schifflingen, Schifflange. So you are honored for that. Okay, is there someone else that we didn't have now? Okay, this is the Alzette. That's Esch sur Alzette. So it's the only river that we have there. So we have in short time we learned all these codes of arms from Esch Alzette. There are 14 codes of arms. Bye bye.